Unleash the power of intelligent process automation. Tired of repetitive tasks slowing down your engine tech business? Imagine a world where AI and automation work together seamlessly, boosting efficiency and driving innovation. Let's dive into the game-changing world of intelligent process automation, IPA. IPA is the next evolution in automation, combining the power of robotic process automation, RPA, with cutting-edge artificial intelligence, AI. Think of RPA as the tireless worker, automating repetitive tasks. AI provides the brains, enabling systems to learn, adapt, and make intelligent decisions. This powerful combination allows for end-to-end business process automation, far beyond what RPA can achieve alone. IPA empowers rapid digital transformation, streamlining operations, and freeing up your team to focus on strategic initiatives. Consider a scenario in an engine manufacturing plant. Traditionally, quality control involves manual inspection of engine components, a time-consuming and error-prone process. With IPA, high-resolution cameras and AI-powered image recognition can automatically detect defects with incredible accuracy. RPA then kicks in, automatically logging the defect, notifying the relevant department, and initiating the repair process. This reduces human error, speeds up production, and improves overall quality, leading to significant cost savings and increased customer satisfaction. IPA offers a multitude of benefits for businesses across various industries, especially in the engine tech sector. It significantly reduces operational costs by automating repetitive tasks and minimizing errors. IPA improves efficiency by streamlining workflows and accelerating processes. It also enhances accuracy by leveraging AI to make data-driven decisions. Ultimately, IPA empowers your workforce by freeing them from mundane tasks, allowing them to focus on innovation and strategic initiatives. Ready to unlock the power of IPA for your engine tech business? Start by identifying key processes that are ripe for automation. Look for tasks that are repetitive, rule-based, and data-intensive. Next, explore available IPA solutions and choose the one that best fits your specific needs and budget. Consider partnering with an experienced IPA implementation partner to ensure a smooth and successful deployment. Intelligent process automation is not just a trend, it's the future of business. By embracing IPA, you can unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency, accuracy, and innovation. Don't get left behind. Ready to transform your engine tech business with the power of IPA? Let's build a smarter, more efficient future together.